My name is Petri Tikkanen and I'm project manager for the DRI Smelter Pilot project. We design and deliver a pilot scale furnace to Metso Pori Research Center for smelting direct reduced iron. Our goal is to prove that current blast furnaces can be replaced by more sustainable technology in steelmaking industry. This is extremely important because our steel industry produces more than 8% of all the CO2 emissions currently. On top of engineering and supply of equipment, we also take care of construction and installation in this project. So this is an internal Metso turnkey project. Our schedule is ambitious. The first campaign is scheduled for October 2024. Currently our engineering is finished and we have now procured over 70% of all the equipment. The soil works and piling is completed and the construction company is selected. The construction company is currently establishing the site and preparations are being done for the civil and structural works.